Hello everyone and welcome specially to this channel. Are you a woman who is hardly in the mood to have sex with your partner? Do you always avoid situations where you will be alone with your man because you feel he might try to ask you for sex and you will not be in the mood to do so? Do you think as a woman you are suffering from low libido and it's about to cost you your marriage or your relationship? Well, in this video, we are going to be talking about what exactly is low sex drive or low libido, and we shall also dwell on the causes and the possible ways of improving your sex life as a woman. So please don't go anywhere, stay tuned, we'll be right back. So low sex drive is medically referred to as hypoactive sexual desire disorder or HSDD. It's actually defined as a lack of motivation for sexual intercourse. It simply means that you are not responsive to sexual thoughts or fantasies. And for most of these women, they only engage in sex simply to satisfy their men and probably save their relationships, but deep down in their hearts, they're actually not into it. The truth though is that some women who have low libido are not really bothered about it, but those who are bothered about it end up having a kind of low self-esteem and can be depressed about it. It's important to note here that women with low libido often have other dysfunction issues such as issues with arousal, with orgasm, and even with lubrication. Some do experience pain during sex, and all of these have a way of bringing about low sex drive. And usually when these other issues are sorted, the woman most times gains back her libido. But before we proceed, let's look at how the brain works when we are sexually aroused, because that will help us understand what exactly causes low libido. So when we are aroused, certain areas of the brain are stimulated, and those areas are known as sexual excitation pathways, and they make use of certain chemical messengers such as dopamine. In other words, when we are sexually aroused, dopamine is released in our bodies. However, there is another area of the brain in charge of the sexual refractory period. This period is when you are not interested in having sexual intercourse, or probably you are done having sex. In this period, a different kind of chemical messenger known as serotonin is released in the body. So the nature of your libido is actually associated with these chemical messengers or hormones. What this means is that any factor that increases your serotonin level or decreases your dopamine level will automatically lead to low libido. These factors include fatigue, pregnancy and childbirth. In fact, studies have shown that women lose their sex drive for about 3 to 6 months after childbirth. Another factor is medications. Some of the medications for depression and anxiety have a toll on one's libido. Also, some oral contraceptives have been shown to cause low sex drive. Another factor is medical conditions like diabetes mellitus, and the reason is that diabetes affects the nerves all over the body, and this can cause some genital numbness. Also, people with high blood pressure and certain gynecologic conditions like fibroid can experience low libido. So in order to take care of low libido, there are a number of steps a woman can take. And these include psychological interventions, medical interventions, and lifestyle changes. Psychological interventions have to do with the woman undergoing some counseling sessions to address relationship issues that might be contributing to the low libido. Also, she will have to watch her stress level because stress is actually a risk factor. Medical interventions have to do with adjusting or switching medications that affect sexual desire. And for women with hormone imbalances, hormone replacement therapy may help to restore libido. Lifestyle changes have to do with maintaining healthy lifestyles such as regular exercise, eating a balanced diet, and ensuring adequate sleep. All of these can boost energy levels and enhance libido. So guys, if you have more information on why women have low libido or how the problem of low libido can be solved, kindly share in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that now. And don't forget to like this video and click on the notification bell so that the next time we post a video here, you'll be the first to see it. See you in our next video.